Okay, what we're doing now is we're prepping the underside of the lofts. We expose the wood, and part of the process is to patch some of the imperfections in the underside of the plywood and the joist. This is Łukasz Kabin. He's the painting contractor, and Łukasz is going to show you what he's doing and give you a brief overview of how he preps the underside of these lofts. Go ahead, Łukasz.
Okay. So we put the top
at the intersections.
Yes.
Okay. And then you tool it with your hand, with your finger.
I'm just cleaning.
Yeah.
So I'm cleaning the top.
Okay, and then what do you do after you caulk?
After?
Yeah. How long does the caulk have to dry before you prime it?
Before we prime the caulk and paint it, we must wait maybe 12 hours. So he must be dry. So.
Okay, so why don't you give us a little exhibition of your expert caulking technique. Go ahead.
Okay, so put the caulk.
And you wipe it with your finger when you're all done. Make a nice concave joint so that when you paint it, it's pretty seamless. Okay, Łukasz, carry on. We'll see you later. Thank you.